Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Anxiety. Ingredients: 1/4 of a cup dried chamomile flowers, 1/4 of a cup dried lemon balm leaves, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers, and 1 cup of raw honey, and 4 cups of water. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine the lemon balm, lavender, water, and chamomile. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer until the liquid is reduced by half. This usually takes 30 to 40 minutes. After it is reduced, remove from the heat. Strain it well through a fine mesh like cheesecloth to remove any solids into a bowl. Squeeze as much liquid as possible out of it. While the liquid is still warm, not hot, add the honey and stir until it is dissolved and mixed well. Pour this syrup into a clean glass bottle with an airtight lid and store it into the fridge for up to 6 weeks. How to use: take 1 to 2 tablespoons of this syrup by mouth as needed to help manage symptoms of anxiety, or 1 tablespoon in the morning and evening for daily maintenance. You can mix the syrup in hot water or tea if desired for a relaxing beverage. Note: individuals who are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications, especially sedatives or thyroid medication, should consult with a healthcare provider before using this regimen. So how does it all work? Chamomile contains apigenin, which helps reduce anxiety by modulating the neurotransmitter activity in the brain. Lemon balm has rosmarinic acid, which helps by improving mood through increasing the availability of neurotransmitters such as GABA in the brain. And lavender, it contains lanolin and linaloyl acetate, which help reduce anxiety by affecting the limbic system, which is the part of the brain responsible for emotions. And the honey, well, that's just there 'cause it's sweet. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.